to the channel, everyone.
Hello.
Today we are going to be talking about how do you say different vegetables in Japanese.
Stories I'm a fool for your love.
Okay, how do you say broccoli?
Broccoli is burokkori.
Okay, cabbage.
Cabbage is kyabetu.
Cabbage.
Cabbage, but in Japanese we say kyabetu.
Cabbage.
Kyabetu.
Cabbage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how do you say Brussels sprouts?
That's芽キャベツ.
Make cabbage.
But we like in Japanese, like we rarely see like Brussels sprouts. Like we usually don't eat. So
Okay, cauliflower.
is karihurawa.
Okay, lettuce.
Is retasu.
Lettuce.
Retasu.
Lettuce. Okra or okra.
Okra is okra.
Okra. Okay. Onion.
Onion is tama negi.
Tamanegi.
Tamanegi.
Tamanegi. Parsley.
It's paseri.
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 Paseri. Carrot.
Carrot is ninzin.
Ninjin.
Ninzin. Yes.
Corn.
Corn is corn.
Comb.
Corn.
Comb. Like what you're using here, comb.
That's M, right? But
Yeah.
this in Japanese it's like N sound, right? Corn. Corn. Corn.
Comb.
Corn. Yeah.
Okay. Ginger.
Ginger is syouga.
Syouga. Syouga. Cucumber.
Is kyuuri.
Kyuuri. Kyuuri. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin is kabotya.
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 Kabotya. Okay. Next, tomato.
Tomato is tomato.
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 Okay, tomato. Thyme.
Thyme is thyme.
Same time.
Same, yeah, same thing.
Okay. How do you say what vegetable do you like?
It's どんな野菜が好きですか?
Donna.
野菜が
Yes, guy.
野菜 Yasai is vegetable.
Yasai.
野菜
Yasai.
が好きですか?
好きですか?
どんな
Donna.
野菜が
Yasai ga.
好きですか?
好きですか? Okay, what vegetable do you like? How do you say I like carrots?
So 私は人参が好きです.
私は人参が好きです。What do you say I like corn?
So 私はコーンが好きです.
私はコーンが
好きです.
好きです。I like lettuce.
So 私はレタスが好きです.
私はレタスが
好き
好き
で。
ですす。Okay, last one. How do you say I like cabbage?
私はキャベツが好きです。So you can also put like any word I told to you. So if it's that I like onion. So 私は玉ねぎが好きです。or 私はブロッコリーが好きです。You can put like any vegetables here. So that's how you say I like broccoli or like I like this vegetable.
Okay, alright. So that's it for this week's video. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.